You're probably making a big mistake in your garden right now without even realizing it. Ever wonder why some plants just don't thrive no matter how much you care for them, or why pests keep attacking your crops even though you're doing everything right? Well, the secret might just be companion planting. The simple yet effective gardening trick can completely transform your garden, helping plants grow faster, keeping pests away, and even increasing your harvest. And the best part? It's simple, even if you're just starting out. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use companion planting to achieve the healthiest, most productive garden possible. Let's begin. So, what exactly is companion planting? Think of it like good neighbors in a community. Some plants simply get along better together. They support each other, help each other grow, and even protect each other from harm. For example, some plants release chemicals that drive away pests, while others attract pollinators to improve fruit production. Some have deep roots that draw up nutrients for shallow-rooted plants. It's all about creating a balanced ecosystem in your garden. Companion planting isn't just a handy trick, it's a game changer. It's natural, eco-friendly, and saves you time and effort by reducing the need for pesticides and fertilizers. All right, now that you understand what it is, let's explore how to actually put it into practice. Choosing the right plants is where the real magic happens. And believe me, you don't need to memorize endless combinations, just knowing a few key pairings can make a significant difference. Let's break it down. 1. The pest fighters. Basil plus tomatoes. Basil keeps away mosquitoes, aphids, and flies while making tomatoes taste even better. Marigolds plus anything. Marigolds repel nematodes, aphids, and beetles. Think of them as natural bug repellents. 2. The growth boosters. Corn plus beans plus squash, the Three Sisters method. Corn gives beans a pole to climb, beans add nitrogen to the soil, and squash spreads out to block weeds. This technique dates back to Native American farming practices. Carrots plus onions. Onions repel carrot flies, and carrots aerate the soil, helping onions thrive. 3. The pollinator magnets. Lavender plus vegetables. Lavender attracts bees and butterflies, which are essential for pollination. Sunflowers plus cucumbers. Sunflowers bring in pollinators, boosting cucumber fruit production. 4. The space savers. Radishes plus spinach. Radishes grow quickly, loosening the soil for spinach to take root. Lettuce plus strawberries. Lettuce provides shade, keeping strawberry roots cool. Now, while there are excellent plant pairings, there are also bad ones you should avoid. Never plant tomatoes and potatoes together. They attract the same pests and diseases, which can ruin your crops quickly. Keep onions away from beans. Onions hinder bean growth, which means fewer beans for you. All right, now that we know some smart combinations, let's look at some easy companion planting ideas you can start using today. If you're just starting out, don't make it too complex. Stick to these reliable combinations. Tomatoes plus basil plus marigolds, more tomatoes, fewer pests. Carrots plus onions plus lettuce, fewer bugs, better soil. Cucumbers plus sunflowers plus nasturtiums, more cucumbers, fewer aphids. Peppers plus oregano plus cilantro, bigger peppers, plus herbs you can cook with. Even if you only have a small space balcony or just a few pots, you can still use companion planting. For container gardens, cherry tomatoes plus basil plus marigolds, small and effective. Lettuce plus chives plus strawberries works great in one large pot. Peppers plus oregano plus thyme, perfect for patio gardening. Now, let's make sure you're ready for success with some expert tips. Don't overcrowd. Give plants space to breathe too close and they'll compete instead of helping each other. Rotate your crops. Change your plant combos each season to keep your soil healthy. Know your climate. Not all combinations work everywhere. If you're in a hot area, focus on heat-loving plants. Test and observe. Every garden is unique. If something isn't working, adjust and try a new combo. Start small. Don't try to mix everything at once. Pick 2-3 pairings and expand from there. The more you experiment, the more you'll learn what works best for your garden. Here's the truth, companion. Planting isn't just about better growth. It's about building a healthy, self-sustaining garden that works with nature, not against it. Picture this: lush, thriving plants with fewer pests and healthier soil, all while doing less work. That's the power of companion planting. And believe me, once you see the difference, you'll never go back. So there you have it, companion planting made easy. Now, it's your turn. What's the first companion planting combination you're going to try? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a gardening tip. Happy planting, and I'll see you in the next video.